How to fix iPhone call failed error. Let's get started. For that, simply open up your phone application right over here, tap on keypad, and just like that, simply dial *31 and hash. After that, press call. This disable any hidden outgoing call blocking that might have been turned on by mistake. After that, head back to your home screen and then open up your control center. Turn on airplane mode for about 5 seconds and then turn it off again. This quickly refreshes your network connection. Also, you have to make sure you have a strong signal because a weak signal can cause calls to fail. Move to an area with better network coverage and try again. And also, if you are using a physical SIM card, you can remove it and then clean it gently. Now reinstall the SIM properly and check if the problem is fixed or not. And with that, you will be able to fix your issue. Thank you all for watching. If this video was helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and liking this video.